An alleged stalker of pop star Taylor Swift is arrested for the second time for breaking into her Manhattan home Thursday. Police say a man named Roger Alvarado broke a window and entered the loft when the singer was away. He was detained and charged with burglary and criminal contempt. Alvarado attempted to break into Swift's apartment twice before. In April 2018, he used a ladder to climb a window of her apartment. She was not home. In February 2018, he was also arrested at Swift's residence after attempting to break through the door with a shovel. Alvarado pleaded guilty in December.